Mega, tas tulog talaga to. Ha?
Paket guys. Solid. Grabe ba?
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. And they change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Good morning. Yeah, last day guys. I mean the last day. Uwian time. So ay, gising ko lang. Ay, saan na yung nawala. Ayun. So kakagising ko lang guys. Umuwi na kami. Nakakalungkot. So, nag-ayos lang kami ng mga gamit. Nilagay sa car. Pang 5th day na namin to. 5th day. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say hi. Hi. Uy. Antok pa.
Dudu. Dudu.
Say hi to vlog. Zia. Say hi. Busy kasi manood. Yes. So let's go. Guys lang tayo guys.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it again. Let me feel it. Fall into you.
siya dito, sa loob. Tawag niyo sa akin, wawa. Dapat hanapan ko ng maganda. Hindi ako, may plastic bag ka. Any plastic bag. Kailangan ko ilagay yung madumi ko. Kailangan mo tulong, Kim? Kailangan mo tulong. Ito yung mga, yung cream mo. Kim! Anong cream? Ito meron, vitamin C lang at saka yung isang ano. Nagbabalat kasi yung mukha ko.
Kakain lang kami, guys.
Saan yung vitamins ko? Sinasabi mong ano? Pampatulog? Nicole? Ano yung vitamins sa tingin ng
Kakain lang kami, tapos alis na kami. Ayos na yung mga tent yun.
Ano ako, diba?
Yes, sir. Ito na lang, alisin. Okay na doon. Clear na. So, dito na lang. Ha? Ah, at choco.
para ano relax yung katawan mo. Kasama na yung good. Good to do. Good. Sana all fresh.
Yung food namin, guys, ano? Ganito lang, Ayan, Kita mo. Baka naman natin yun. Ligo-ligo yan.
Itong water yung sa baba. Yan yung tubig sa pagka. Ito. Ito sa baba.
Hindi na kailangan ng stove. Via.
Ano kailangan mainit na tubig? O
Ay, kusa nang nagtilinit. Ito lang.
meron siyang heater sa ilalim.
Kasi ito na lang. Ito yung sa ilalim. Ito yung sa rice na ba? Ito yung sa ilalim.
Pwede, ano so?
Next time mga
For rice.
camping, puro
Yan lang, guys. Kukulo na to, parang
Wala nang
ganyan.
ano ng tita. Luluto. Sa kanyang ano na yun.
Hintayin lang namin kumulo. I mean, maluto. Mga Chinese food yun, guys.
Cup noodles siya, ganyan na lang.
White is still from a chicken, and it's still
But brown is organic.
they're the same.
Inihintay ko lang yung ano. Gazebo. Kasi ilalagay ko dito. Yan. Lagay ko din na May space pa Lagay ko yan. Tapos meron pa ibang gamit dun Nakalimutan ko kung paano yung arrangement ko dun sa ano.
Hair. That's like crazy, and then the neck is so long.
Sinave ko na kasi sa laptop yung Kaya kalimutan ko kung paano ko siya bibiguro, guys. So, kain lang kami.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like
Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going
maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come. favorite season.
My name is Kiefer Cruz.
Hey! Uy, mag-hi kayo sa vlog! Dito, vlog! Hi, vlog! Welcome back to Bullet.
Mga ka-vlog.
Say hey ka na. Hi.
Like the sun,
Puta, layo ah.
moon, and to
Ay, lahat.
Isa din. Ha? Ulit ka nga, oh. Ulit.
time continue. It slowly grows.
Sayang ang pagkukulong. Pwede ba sa mo?
With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no